Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a GTA 5 not working FitGirl Repack. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side select virus and threat protection and select manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusion and select yes. Select add an exclusion and folder and navigate to the game folder guys. Here is the folder and select folder option, and after adding the game to this list, and now you just need to find play GTA 5 bat file. Just double click on it and select yes, and this should launch your game guys. And now as you can see, you are actually in a window mode. To fix this, press escape key and go to settings and go to graphics. In resolution up, you can able to see screen type. Set this to full screen and select apply option. Select yes to save it, and now as you can see the game is on full screen and the game works without any problem. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.